Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper 3, concepts of mechanical engineering 2. Okay, 25ME 21I. So second semester subject, it is an second sem subject. Okay, so 3 marks question is given. Here, write the purpose of spraying in surface coating. So what is the purpose of spraying on the surface of the coating? First, which will give you uniform coating. If you do the it will give uniform coating method. If you spraying providing smooth and even layer coating on surface, it will give a even surface coating on material. Next will protection. So if the material affect from corrosion, rust, environmental damage, it will be protected. Next is better finishing. So you need to get neat and attractive and high quality surface finish. Next will be, and fourth one is the time saving. It will cover large area quickly compared to a other method. Spraying is very useful. These are the purpose of spraying. Next, explain purpose of normalizing. So what do you mean by normalizing? First, you should know what do you mean by normalizing. Normalizing is a process organizing data into a database to reduce the redundancy and improve the data integrity. That we call it as an normalizing. So in the normalizing, what is the purpose of normalizing? The normalizing, it will be reduce the data redundancy. Okay, redundancy and avoid repeating same data to multiple places and improve data consistency, improve data consistency, ensure accurate and uniform data and easy data maintenance means update, inserts and deletion become simple. So this is the process of normalization. Next, mention any two applications in biomaterials in human body. Okay, so one is an artificial joints. So in the biomaterial, we can use it for artificial joints, nothing but replacing the damaged joints like hips, knee joints. So dental implantation, nothing but replacing the missing teeth and supporting artificial teeth. Next, biomaterial helps to repair and replace body parts and improve the quality of the life. These are the applications of the bio life. Next is list any type of molding sand with their properties. First one is green sand. So green sand, it contains moisture or wet sand. It contains moisture or wet sand. It is a good plasticity and permeability and it is easy to mold and low cost. Coming to the dry sand, green sand dry before use. Okay. So it is having high strength, better surface finish and which we can use it for large castings. Next will be an loam sand. It is a sand, a mixture of clay, sand and water. It is very high plasticity and which we can use it for large and heavy castings. This we can use. Next will be compare direct, indirect extrusion process. Direct extrusion process, what we have to do, metal flow in the same direction and ram movement. So billets and containers have relative motion and more friction. It required higher force and simple and commonly used this process. So coming to the indirect extrusion, so this is the metal flow opposite direction to the ram movement. No relative motion between the billet and container, less it having a less friction. It requires low force and it is more complex equipments needed. Okay. In simple words, you can write a direct, indirect method. Direct method is a more friction, high force. In indirect method, less friction and low force. Next, coming to the list any three major components of press machine. So there is a three major components of the press machine. One is in frame, another one is in ram or slide or bed. So what is the main component, main functions? It is a main structure of the press. A frame is a main structure of the press that supports all parts and withstand the forces. And ram or slide, it is a moving part that apply force on workpiece. And bed is a base of the machine where the workpiece and die are placed. And these the component work together, apply a pressure and make a shape of the material in the press machine. And next, mention any three properties of abrasive materials used. Grinding wheel, properties of abrasive materials. One is an hardness. Okay, hardness means it should harder than the workpiece to effective remove materials. Next will be in toughness. It is ability to withstand the impact without breaking easily. Next, third one is a wear resistance. It is resistance to wear, maintain cutting efficiency for a longer time. Okay, so more information, please subscribe my channel, share and support. If the content is useful, thank you.